If you want to increase the performance of low-end Samsung phones where you have maximum 4 GB of RAM, let us see what to do. The first thing is you have to make sure that you have only used 70% of the internal storage. Go to settings here. You have to go to device care. Open it, and here you can see what is the total space and how much is available. So you have to make sure that at least you have 20% to 30% of storage left. Now if you have less, then you have to go to storage and you have to see what is taking up more space. Generally in every phone it is the photo and the video that will take more space. So you have to delete unnecessary photos and videos to make space in your phone. Now the menu which I am showing here might be different according to the OS version. The next thing is you have to make sure that all the background apps are closed. So tap on this reset button here and then select close all. The next thing is you have to limit the apps that run in the background. Now for that one you have to activate developer options. Go to settings here, go to this option about phone, go to software information, and you have to tap on this build number for 8 to 10 times to activate developer option. You have to enter the passcode and then select OK. After that go back, again go back, and when you are in the settings menu at the bottom you will find developer options. Open it. Now here we have to look for background process limit. So here you can see, open it. Now generally it will be selected to standard limit. You have to select this option at most 2 processes. In low-end Samsung phones, you don't do gaming, you don't do video editing, so you can select to use only 2 background apps at a time. Now there is one special thing that you can do in low-end Samsung phones. For that one, go to settings here, again go to device care, open it, go to memory, and you have the option to clean now. So this will make at least some space free in your RAM. Select it. So this will close all the background application and make the RAM free so that your phone will work faster. And there is one option here which is called RAM Plus. Open it. Now this tip does not work for high-end Samsung phones like S23, S24 Ultra. This only works for low-end Samsung phone where maximum RAM is 4 GB. So there you will have the option to choose 6 GB or 8 GB space. So this space will be used from the internal storage and this will act as a virtual RAM. So this will help the background apps to run faster and your phone also will perform better. So you have to select whatever is the maximum for you and then restart. So once the phone restart, the performance of the phone should be better. So do all of these things and hopefully your low-end Samsung phone will perform better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.